those videos, like at that time my college was also going on, so I had to focus on academics as well. Also, like on Saturday, Sunday, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 weekends, sir, I like finished all the videos and then gave the exam after finishing all the videos, sir. So it took me almost like 4 to 5 days, sir, maximum,
Oh, great.
completing those training part. And the for internship, sir, I started from 8th, sir. And you, sir, I mailed you as well my laptop,
Yes,
laptop's
exactly.
motherboard.
Yes, yes.
So, sir, this is the time duration, sir, researching our problem statement, and then components required, technical specifications, searching for alternate components, circuit connection, and report formation. So this is the timeline for the internship thing. And for the um, training part, sir, I told you it took me 4 to 5 days to complete everything.